Friends, in the previous example we have calculated the forces on the tower. Now we will study the forces here, forces acting on the tower and the maximum bending moment on the tower. Here the problem is, here the span is 120 meter, maximum dip is 10 meter, the supports are at same level and is subjected to UDL of 6 kilonewton Newton per meter of horizontal span. First we have to calculate the maximum tension in the cable and its inclination. Second one is find the forces transmitted to the supporting pier if the cable passes over a smooth pulley as shown in figure 2. The anchor cable is 30 degree to the, this alpha is 30 degree that he has given, that is anchor cable is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. Determine the maximum bending moment on the pier. If the height of the pier has given us 15 meter, the UDL, that is 6 kilonewton per meter acting over the entire span in horizontal direction. First we have to calculate the support reactions by applying the equilibrium equation. You know that both HA and HB are equal, that is H, that is H. Here by equilibrium equation, that is summation of Fy equals 0, therefore Va plus Vb equals the total downward load, that is 6 into 120, then this one equals 720 kilonewton, therefore Va equals Vb equals half of 720, that one is 360 kilonewton, By applying the second equilibrium equation, we have calculated the support reactions Va and Vb. Now we will find the horizontal reaction, that is H, that is to calculate H taking moments about C. Only you have to consider half portion, then Va into total distance is 120 by 2, that is clockwise, and then H into maximum dip is 10 meter, that one is anti-clockwise, then due to UDL, that is UDL is 6 into half portion, that is 120 by 2 into half of that, that is 120 by 4, that one equals 0, therefore H equals 1 over 10. Va is 360, 120 by 2, that is 60, minus 6 into 60 into 30, that one is H equals, that is 1080 kilonewton. After knowing Va and HA, Vb and H, now we will calculate first one, maximum tension. Usually the tension is maximum at the support, maximum tension and its inclination, Here at supports, the maximum tension occurs at the supports. Then T maximum equals Va square plus Va square or Vb square plus H square, that one equals Va, that is 360 square plus 1080 square, that one equals, here that one is 1138.42 kilonewton, and its inclination, that is here this one is H, this one is V, then this one is the T maximum T maximum is inclined at an angle of theta. Theta equals tan inverse of VA by H. That one is tan inverse of 360 by 1080. That one is 1 over 3, or that one equals 18.435. Then horizontal force transmitted. Second one, find the forces transmitted, that is horizontal force transmitted. Horizontal force transmitted. That one equals here we have already calculated T maximum. That one equals T maximum inside the bracket cos alpha cos theta minus cos alpha. Since here this one is smooth frictionless pulley, T maximum equals T, hence horizontal force that one is 94.099 kilonewton. Then here we have calculated horizontal force. Then vertical force transmitted, vertical force on tower, that one equals, here both are acting in downward direction, T max sin theta, sin alpha and sin theta both are acting in downward direction, that is negative, that is downward. Then that one equals 929.21 kilonewton. 921.21 kilonewton. Then maximum bending moment on the tower. Third one, maximum BM on tower, that one equals H into horizontal force, that is H into, here we can give this name as H1, H into H1, that one equals, H is the horizontal force, or we can give the name, that is Fx into H1. Fx equals, that is 94.099 into 15. This one equals, that is 1411.49 kilonewton meter. This one is maximum bending moment. This is the solution for this problem. Okay, we'll continue in the next video. A cable is suspended from point A and B which are 80 meters apart horizontally and are at different levels. The point A being 5 meters vertically higher than the point B, and the lowest point in the cable is 10 meters below A. The cable is subjected to a UDL of 30 kilonewton per meter along the horizontal span. Determine the horizontal and vertical reactions at A and B, and also the maximum tension in the cable. First read the problem and draw the diagram. Here A and B are 80 meter apart. The length is 80. Then A being 5 meter higher than point B. This height is 5 meter. Then lowest point in the cable is, this one is the lowest point, is 10 meter below A. The cable is subjected to this height, that is 10 meter, and is subjected to UDL of 30 kilonewton per meter along the horizontal span. Determine the horizontal and vertical reactions at A and B, and also the maximum tension in the cable. Here first we have to calculate the support reactions. Here to calculate the support reactions, we don't know the value of L1 and L2. Then cut this. Here this one is one portion, this one is another portion, this one is point C, this one is the horizontal reaction. At C, no verticals here. At C, there is no verticals here. Then here this one is the horizontal reaction at C. Then this one is VA, this one is HA or H. Then this height is, this one is 10 meter, that has given, that is 10 meter. Then this one is L1, this one is L1. Similarly in this, here the height is, this one is VB and this one is H. Here the height between A and B is 10 meter. Then this one is 10 minus 5, that is 5 meters. This height is 5 meter. This distance is, that is L2. Here now we have drawn the free body diagram. Then summation of MA equals 0. Summation of with C as origin, from summation of MA equals 0. Summation of MA equals 0. That we will get H into 10. That one is anti-clockwise. That one is anti-clockwise. If you consider the left portion, that is H into 10, that one is anti-clockwise. Then the UDL in this portion, UDL in this portion, UDL in this portion, that one is, UDL is 30 kilonewton per meter. 30 into L1 into L1 by 2. L1 is not known. Then that one is, here this one is anti-clockwise, this one is clockwise. Then moment to these two forces equals 0. Therefore here you will get an equation H equals 30 by 2, 15 L1 square by 10, or this one is this one is 15 by 10. Then similarly, by considering left portion, similarly summation of MA equals 0 by considering right part, then here again we will get H into 5, that one is clockwise, minus 30 into L2 square by 2, that equals 0. Then again H equals 15 L2 square divided by 5. That one is, this one is equation number 1, this one is equation number 2. You will get here by equating 1 and 2, by equating both the values are H, equating 1 and 2, then 15 L1 square divided by 10, that equals 15 L2 square divided by 5. That is 15 get cancel, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, L1 square equals 2 L2 square, L1 square equals 2 L2 square, or L1 equals L2 into root 2, L2 into root 2, but L1 plus L2 equals 80 meter. He has given, that is total length is 80 meter. Therefore, by substituting this L1 value in the above equation, by substituting this here, L1 equals L2 root 2 plus L2 equals 80, or L2 equals, here we will get the value of L2, that is 33.137 meters. We will get the value of L2. Then L1 equals, by substituting the value in the above equation, we will get L1 equals 46.863 meters. Now we have calculated the value of L1 and L2. Then it is easy to calculate H1 or H equals, here by substituting the value of L1, H equals, either by using the first equation or by using the second equation, that is 15 into L1 square, that one is 46.863 square divided by 10, that one equals, H equals 3294.2 kilonewton. 0.2 kilonewton. Now we have got the value of H. After getting the value of H, then considering the equilibrium of left portion or AC. In this portion summation of phi equals 0, sum of the forces in vertical direction equals 0. We will get here sum of the forces in vertical direction equals 0. That gives us phi is upward minus W into L1. L1 value is 46 point, just now we have calculated, that is 863 kilometers. Then this equals 0. Therefore PA equals that is 1405.89 kilonewton. Then similarly PB equals by equilibrium of right portion PB equals that is 30 into 33.137, that one is 994.11 kilonewton. Here VA is greater than VB. VA is greater than VB by observing this. Hence T maximum occurs, maximum tension T maximum is at A, that equals VA square plus S square, VA square plus S square, that one is root of 1405.89 whole square plus 3294.2 square. Then this equals T max equals that is 3335.81.66 kilonewton. Here this is the problem, maximum tension in the cable. Then if this is the given solution for the given problem, okay.